Hi guys, I'm Varnali Mohanty and welcome to my channel. So this is a makeup tutorial that I created and it is like a classic red lip makeup tutorial with earthy tones on the eyes. Also, I have done extreme contouring, but this is what I would do if I was going to wear a black dress or a white dress and I'm going to a party where I want the makeup to last all day. So if you like this makeup tutorial and it was helpful in any way, do subscribe to my channel and do give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.
First things first, you want to put your hair behind so that it doesn't mess with the makeup. So I'm taking my Born This Way foundation on a palette and I'm taking just one pump. And I'm in the shade Warm Beige. Then I'm taking a foundation brush by Real Cosmetics and taking a Stila contour kit and applying it on the hollows of my face. You want to, suck your lips together and you want to see the what I did and see where your contour bone lies, and then you want to contour the outer parameters of your face. I know this is a very darker shade for my skin tone, but when I like to contour I like to go all the way. Now taking my concealer in NC42 by MAC Roll-On Wear. So I didn't show it because actually I have transferred it in another container because it's difficult to control the amount that you take in one pump when you're using the pump directly, which is a big problem. So yes, I'm now applying it below my contour on my forehead. So it is a tad bit lighter than my skin tone, so it gives a highlighting effect as well. So I'm taking the YBP Makeup Perfector and blending everything. So I'm blending the concealer because this concealer sets pretty quickly. So you want to blend the concealer first, otherwise it will be difficult to blend. Next I'm taking my foundation and using that to blend my concealer and the contour together. So technically what you're doing is you're making sure that on every area of your face you have just one layer of makeup and you're still getting a full coverage. So that doesn't make it look like really cakey, and that is how I do my foundation generally. Otherwise I apply just foundation because this foundation is really good. Also, yeah, you want to take the pointed edge of your beauty blender, YBP beauty blender, and you want to blend it upwards, especially on your cheekbones, because if it goes downwards it will mess with the concealer that you have applied, and also it will make your face look muddy and you don't want that. So yes, and this contour kit is very sheer, so it is easy to correct your mistakes. Now I'm taking my Bharat and Doris loose powder and taking a buffing brush by Real Techniques, and I'm baking my face. So I'm baking my under eye areas wherever I have darkness and on my T-zone. Now taking my Makeup by Mario palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking the shade Isabel, which is a warm burnt orange, and I'm applying it on my crease as my transition color. Doing it on the other eyes. Now taking the shade Hollywood, which is it is not very glittery, so it is a subtle highlight for your brow bones. So, and it has yellow undertones, it's like golden yellow. And then taking the shade Lula, which is very similar to my lid color, and taking a flat shader brush by Eco Tools and applying it on my lid. Now I'm taking a pointed brush by Sephora. So this is a Pro Smoky Liner brush. I'm taking any black shade. I'm taking this black color by Makeup Revolution palette that I have, and basically using it as an eyeliner and then smoking it out. So with this brush it's very easy because it is actually meant for that. And I'm taking a pencil brush and further smoking it out, making sure that both are similar. Then removing my bake with this Kabuki brush by e.l.f. Now taking my pencil brush by Smashbox and using the color Isabel again and smoking out my bottom lash line. smoke. Then taking the color, what is this? Violetta, which is a warm brown, and applying it on the outer 1/3 of the eye. Then taking my mascara by CRT London, and you see the way I took out the brush. So the one side of it has more product and the other side has less product. So you want to use the side which has more product and apply it, and you want to wiggle in your lashes so it creates a lengthening and a more voluminous look. I really like this mascara, but I don't find it like really long lasting. Don't mind the lighting because I'm doing it. This is like my second video and I'm doing it in natural sunlight. Yeah, also you want to tilt your face perpendicular to the mirror so that you're able to see all the lashes and it makes it easier. And also you want to go to the smaller lashes on the inner part of your eyes and make sure that every lash is coated. So mascara makes the maximum difference, I feel, according to me. Then you want to do your bottom lashes. Again, especially on your bottom lashes, it's very helpful if you're tilting your face at an angle through the mirror. Now taking my Shambor Smoky Intense Kohl and applying it on my waterline. It just gives more definition to the eyes. Taking my Colourpop lip liner in Bichette. It is a cool toned red color, and taking the star of the show, MAC Ruby Woo. I'll link all the products that I've used in the bottom bar and you can see all the shades and whatever I have used in case you want to. Yes, applying my lipstick. Then taking my Makeup Profusion bronzer by Makeup Forever, and I'm in the shade medium dark, and I'm going to apply it to set my contour as well as as a blush. I feel with a red lipstick, a bronzed face looks really nice. Now taking my Colourpop highlighter in the shade Butterfly Beach and highlighting the highest points of my face. This works best with fingers, I feel. So that is why I'm using my fingers. Applying it on the bridge of my nose. Now taking my Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown and using an angled brow brush by Ego Tools. I'll link all the brushes in the bottom bar as well that I've used. And filling in my eyebrows. If you want a detailed brow routine, just let me know. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like and comment.